Much better than most. Your mom is an astronaut, your dad is an
Well, that was a bit interesting to see those two planes flying at the same time though, whereas the other one came anyway, but you know. So yeah, so just you can see here that obviously, you know, yeah, that first one here we've just seen anyways, which that was the what was that, plane we've seen anyway, because as you can see, this one here was the van's RV9, that was, and that registration here I've not seen before anyway. It's G-RVLC, that is, which as you can see, that's literally just took off a Newquay airport anyway. Just so you can see, that's the first plane I've just seen, which that was the van's RV9, that was. Whereas the other one that was flying with it there anyway, as they both actually took off at Newquay airport, I believe anyway. Yeah, because I'm taking by the looks of it, and this registration here with that one here, this is the D.150 Jodel, that is, and that registration here is it's G-RIVE, that is. So that was the first one I've just seen anyway, which that was in front of the van's RV9 anyway. Whereas the van's RV9, that was just following the Jodel D.150, I believe. So yeah, and also we've just seen that one as well anyway, which that came just after when those two planes were flying together at the same time anyway. There you go, got the van's RV9 there anyway. Obviously they were both actually flying a distance, they were anyway. So that's the first one I've just seen, that was the van's RV9, which as you can see, both of them, they came here probably about under 14,000 feet, I believe. And whereas yeah, as you can see, this one is the Jodel 103 America, that is anyway. That's the Jodel D.150, that is, which that one is a similar height to the DR400 Robin, that is. This one's kind of similar anyway. I don't know where those two are based at anyway, but obviously a bit weird, but obviously where those two planes are based at anyway. There you go. Hold on. There you go, they came out from their base called Shellington Airfield. I believe this is where those two planes that came out from anyway, from their base at Shellington Airfield. And the other plane that we've just seen, which this one here, that one is the Cessna FR.172E Skyhawk Cessna, that was. Yeah, whereas that one here we've just seen, which is this one here, is the Cessna 172 Skyhawk, that was. And that registration here, as you can see, is GAWDR, that is. Obviously the registration is similar though, but as you can see, this one is G-RROK, that is. It's very weird though, apparently. Oh, it looks like we've got another plane coming as well. There's another Cessna by the looks of it. This one has came out from Newquay airport, which I think that one I'm going to have to go and film anyway, when it does come over. So yeah, as those two planes I've just seen, which that one is the van's RV9 and the Jodel 150, that was just seen. But obviously I better wait for the Cessna to come over anyway. Which as you can see, that one is a G-BHZH, which I think that one, it should be over here somewhere, but we might be able to see. Which I'll wait for that one to pop out anyway. Can't see it yet though, but it's the normal Cessna we normally see anyway, but we'll just better wait for that one a minute. But I can't see it yet, but can't see where the Cessna is anyway, but can't see where the other one is though. Because we've got so many private planes around here today apparently, which are very weird, but I can't even see one. As you can see, there's now passing a Bulldog, I believe. There we go. I can see one over there. Oh, I can't even see it because the sun's in the way. I think I can see it, but I can't actually tell where it is, but oh, I can't get a video of it. Oh, there we go. Got it now. There we go, that was the other Cessna I've just seen anyway, which that one's a normal one anyway. This one here is based out of Newquay Airport anyway. And that fourth one I've just seen, which that was the Cessna 152, that was the RIVE Cessna 152 that was. And that registration is G-BHZH, that is. Obviously this is the one that's based at Newquay Airport, I believe. And as you can see, that one has just took off from its base to Culm Airport, Newquay around 4:43 PM, I believe. So it just literally took off from its base to Culm Airport, Newquay anyway. And there's the other one. I think the other one that took off. Well, as you can see, I think the other one, the other Cessna we just seen, which that was the Skyhawk one we've just seen, which for some reason the other Cessna we've just seen, that I think that one might have taken off from its base at Bobbing Airfield, I believe, or wherever he might have came out from, or maybe Davystow Airfield, but I don't know. Anyway, so that was those two planes we've just seen, which that one was the Vans RV9, that was the Vans RV9 we've just seen, which now that registration is G-RVLC, that was. By the looks of it, I think that should be going back to its base that, I don't know where it's going back to anyway, but I'm sure it's probably travelling back to its base at Shannington Airport, I believe. And where was the other one? I think that's occasionally, where was the Jodel D.150, I think that was in front anyway, where was the Vans RV9, that was just following behind the Jodel D.150 anyway. So yeah, and this one here, I think, I don't know where that one's based at, but I'll just check one of the other Cessna. Yes, you can see the other one's got the unknown track anyway. Which I think that one might have taken out. Yeah, I believe this one here is a Cessna FR.172E rocket, that is. And that registration here, as you can see, it's saying G-RROK, that is, but obviously this registration here isn't the right one anyway. Oh, my bloody adverts. It's the one I'm bloody A about. Okay, and then we saw a second Cessna, which that one came out from its base at Newquay Airport anyway, and that one is the G-BHZH, which that one I think, yeah. So I think with the other one that came about 32,000 feet, and whereas the G-BHZH that came here probably about 25,000 feet. Oh, got this bloody ADIC speed plane up again. So yeah, whereas the Cessna 152 that came in about 25,000 feet, and then literally just done a drop anyway, as it was aiming towards my Churchtown anyway. Obviously the engine has literally kind of like gone off on it anyway, whereas the engine on it is just it kind of like shut off anyway and all that. Didn't hear the sound or nothing though on the other Cessna, which I think is probably coming back again anyway, which we might be able to see in a minute, but I don't know. Okay, so yeah, I think looks like the Cessna 152 that should be heading back to its base in Newquay Airport very soon, I think anyway. And that registration is G-BHZH, that is. Okay, so yeah, bit surprised though. We only seen about 4 planes today apparently, you know. So I was going to say we've only seen the 2 planes flying over at the same time though, which is the Vans RV9 and the Jodel D.150, I believe, and then the third one was the Cessna 172M Skyhawk. I think it was the Cessna 172 Skyhawk and the Cessna 152, the RIVE Cessna F152, that was from Newquay Airport. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching, bye bye.